Hey guys, what's up? Unity Game Dev and Tutorials here with another devlog on my slime escape puzzle game. Although this is a relatively short video, I was able to make a ton of new changes and mechanics. Anyways, let's get into it. I started out by making a laser using raycast and a line renderer and made it change different colors based on whether it was touching anything. But that wasn't a very fun thing to mess with, and I want the player to be able to die, so after some quick code and animation, I got it to be a more realistic obstacle and laser, so it both rotated and killed the player. This is for sure a more fun level now, and I will definitely use this mechanic in my game. After that, I worked on some pixel art and designed a door so you can actually complete the level so you don't end up just making some wall disappear and have no actual level over. I then set up some animations, and here it is. After finishing the door, I wanted to both mess with some physics and also wanted more elements for my game, so I made a chain rope that you can mess with as well as a chain bridge using the hinge joint component. I have to say, that is really fun mechanic to mess with and fun to play around with. Then I got working on a spring-like mechanic so you can jump higher with any character using the spring joint mechanic that is broken with a certain character. So I got to work on a more realistic spring by adjusting the collider on the spring joint and increasing the mass of the rigid body 2D. I also decreased the distance of the spring joint and also made some spring pixel art, though I'm not sure the look is final. Thankfully this is much less broken than the trampoline style one, though I do plan on adding some fun broken mechanics if you look for them. So that is my game currently looking like. I also added an endgame mechanic in another level to show that you made it to the next one. And don't worry, I plan on adding a pixel art screen next level indicator. Then after trying to add a sort of mirror mechanic for my raycast and failing, I worked on adding a switch or lever to shut off the laser, and I feel like it's looking pretty good. What I did notice though was that I needed for the indicator above to switch a play and end animation to make it gradually disappear instead of all at once. So I got to work on that, adding some more animations, but settled on making a duplicate indicator object and setting it and the fade animation active when the player left the proximity of the switch's box collider. So that is what it's looking like right now, and I like it a lot, though tell me what you think in the comments below about the indicator and all these other mechanics. I also made it so you can switch back on the laser, though I'm not sure it's a mechanic the player will want to use a lot. I'm working on a player merging animation as well as a pixel death animation for each player. So here's my game so far and the mechanics in it. I also added a death reset because at the time you have to exit and restart the game instead of automatically doing it. Anyways, thanks for watching this devlog, and if you like the game so far, feel free to hit the like button. Also, make sure to comment below if you'd like to see a mechanic in the game that I didn't add. That would be cool to you. Thanks guys, and I'll see you on the next devlog.